In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a stand in Please Donate. So we're just going to start by closing out of the Roblox game, and you'll need to open up an internet browser and head over to the website roblox.com. Now once you're signed into your account, click on Create in the top navigation, click on Creations, and then go and select one of your Roblox experiences. In the left navigation, scroll down to Monetization and select Passes. Scroll down again and select Create a Pass. Now by default, this is going to be the image for our Game Pass. You can decide to customize this and upload your own image, but for this video, I'm going to leave it as the default. Now go and give your Game Pass a name. I'm just going to type in Please Donate, and you can also decide to enter a description. Once you finish, click on Create Pass. Now scroll down and locate the Game Pass that we just created, and then just select it like so. Now click on Sales from the left-hand side, turn on the option next to Item for Sale, and enter the amount of Robux that you want as a donation. So I'm just going to enter 50, then scroll down and click on Save Changes. Agree to the terms and conditions, and then you can click on Back to Associated Items. You can now repeat this step with as many Game Passes as you want. Basically, each one of these Game Passes is a different button on your stand. Once you've set up your Game Passes, you can then head back over to the Roblox game. And once you're in Roblox, you can go and launch back up Please Donate. Once you're back in Please Donate, then move your character over to an empty stand and hold down the letter E to go and claim this stand. Now, just like that, all of the Game Passes that we made are automatically going to be applied to your stand. You can hold down the letter E again to go and edit this, and you can edit things such as the name and also the colors of your stand. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.